Davidson's All Natural Gym. Welcome back for another video. See what's in the solar kiln. That would be maple.
You tested it?
Yep, he is done with it. It is done, ready. 7% moisture content. Held for a week and ready to go. 2-inch, 2-inch, and the rest is all 4/4. She's ready to go. So this is just your basic Virginia Tech solar kiln. The fans here, blow it through there, and the fans here suck it out those 3 little holes at the bottom. And then you stack over 1,000 board feet in there, just a little over 1,000 board feet in there. And it's ready to go. Ready to go last week. And we held it at 7% moisture content for a week. So I figured I'd just film a quick unloading the kiln. It's all maple. You can see how maple is splitting, and there's a cupped one there, and this one's cupped pretty bad. That's the center. That's the heart right there. That one's cupped pretty bad, but most of them are okay. A lot of splits, but it's maple. And that's why it's so expensive. It's hard to get good lumber. Let's unload it. You're in charge of unloading it. I'm just going to film. You just carry all the boards.
Yeah, that's not happening.
You just carry all the boards all the way to the trailer, which is way over there. We'll give this row here to Dale, so we'll stack it right along there.
On the ground?
On the up.
Up?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm falling out of the kiln.
I guess so. Right and down?
Yep.
Right here?
Yep. Oh, this is walnut. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Yep. That's a walnut piece there.
It's not much of an angle.
Okay.
Too straight. This thing when it took it back. Where's this going?
Right along the shed. Yep, this whole row goes along the shed.
Okay, the whole top row?
Yep. Got it?
Yep. Ready?
Ready, on the forks.
On the forks?
On the forks.
I love my kiln. I love every part of this shit.
Oh, you can't? He'll get his fingers out the way.
does have some spalting.
Yep. Yeah, it's got a big knot and it warped in there too.
Middle, yep.
Get it?
Yep. Yeah, see it?
Oh yeah.
So now that we have a place for his, we can do like, we can do 2 rows of mine, and then we'll do these next 2 rows for Dale.
Okay.
Then we'll do 2 rows, and then, right.
Whatever.
And that way, I can load these 2 rows on here, and then when I come back, I won't put the tractor here, and we can,
Place to walk.
right, we can walk his 2 in, and then I can move the tractor, and we can walk my, you know, okay? Stay out of there. No, you don't need to go in there either, hon. Nope. See what Dale's doing? That's what I want you doing. Just, you don't have to get him out of the way. I got it. What are those? Just oak fillers, aren't they?
Like, oh,
Those are just oak fillers.
okay. You can take them if you want them. They're dry.
No, I know. Oh, that was just 1 row. Damn. Oh no, I think I can get 2.
Huh?
I'll get 2. All right, next 2 are Dale's.
These are all shorts. I just snack these up on the side. Full.
There's a little bit of spalting there. These are just little filler pieces here.
Yeah.
Oak filler pieces. Maybe, nope, these are maple. This one's maple. Oh, that one's oak.
This one's a little longer.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm really interested in that spalting too. I'm really interested to see if we can get it to work.
And put those on top?
Right. And then put these on top, or he has another place for them.
Okay.
Yeah, next to are mine.
They look real nice.
That one, yeah, that one looks really nice, don't it? Oh, this one, I'll be happy with this one too.
The other two.
Yeah, that, yeah. I got it.
Wait till you back up and I just can grab it. You don't want me to do it, huh?
Nope.
Well, I'll guarantee I'll let you do that.
That's a nice one.
That's a real nice one.
That's nice.
That's real nice. You know, what we need here?
He's not looking for anything that costs money.
Well, that's
He's not, you know, and,
he's looking for always looking
So-
for a deal.
You know?
right. These two are Dale's.
Yep. Oh, to the tractor?
Yeah, he won't ever leave them in it, so.
No, I won't.
No, I don't blame you. Somebody will
I
run off
won't.
with it. You never know.
My responsibility. If I hear a noise, I'm coming out.
Got it, hun?
Yep. Got one left.
One left. And that's the last one out of the kiln. And we'll sweep it out and start all over again. With some oak. And yeah, I think it's all oak. Bur oak, white oak, and black oak.